Meaning of foxed.
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 Foxed. The term fox typically refers to the process by which a paper, usually in the form of a book or a print, develops brown spots caused by exposure to dampness or mold. This discoloration can result in a range of darkening effects and changes to the texture of the paper. The brown spots may render text illegible or obscure illustrations in the work. In essence, foxed paper has been damaged by environmental factors and will likely be less visually appealing, and possibly less valuable, than an undamaged work.